Robinhood is making some moves. I feel like they have, there's some things that they're starting to implement around, obviously they put on Dogecoin to kind of adapt to that particular scenario. They're moving into more crypto. The likelihood or the potential likelihood of Robinhood to activate a crypto wallet, how big of an impact do you think that would make in the marketplace? And what kind of a ripple effect do you think that would have on the other cryptocurrency exchanges?
I think it would give significant access to people that are already using Robinhood that want to level up to other exchanges. It would be a
Yeah.
fiat on ramp. So, right now, there aren't many fiat on ramps. I mean, there are a few, but it takes a while to either set up, to approve an account, to move money. With Coinbase, you start that USD transfer, you can't get any Bitcoin out for 2 weeks. So it
Hmm.
is kind of an ordeal. A lot of people are having that issue. And if Robinhood would instantly give you that access, users would be able to level up their crypto trading. Now, a lot of people are lazy. If they already have Robinhood and they can easily trade, they're going to do that. But if they can also easily get their coins out of there and into another platform to get other tokens that aren't supported by Robinhood, they're probably
Yeah.
going to do that. Not all of them, but at least a percentage of them will start learning more, expanding their knowledge, and then that would probably cause the crypto space to grow even more on the at least decentralized side, the kind of the small market cap side where people take a
Right.
lot of high risk chances.
Yeah. That's a good point. And if you look at the fee structure, because obviously they built their business on no fees, but they basically, you know, make it make it
On the
on the
spread.
trades.
Yeah.
So how do you see that applying into cryptocurrency? Because that's going to be a
So
little bit different.
yeah, I wanted to see what the trading spread was on Robinhood, and then I traded some Doge just to see what that was, and it said it could go up to 5%, and there is a lot of liquidity for Doge, so it doesn't make sense that the spread would be that high. They are
Right.
rolling in a huge fee for people to buy that because the people that are buying Doge probably aren't familiar with like what they're really paying for.
Hmm. So you think that's going to be more of the, much like what they are right now for the stock trading industry, they would become that for the cryptocurrency industry,
Mhm.
kind of that beginner investor wants a little bit of that, that sexiness in terms of the app usability, UI, et cetera, just to make it very simple and easy. Obviously, the easy access to the fiat transfers, those kind of things, which make it pretty much painless, with the
Mhm.
exception of one thing: the fees. Those will become painful
Yeah.
in the future. So you think with that they could take their place among the gold standard in terms of the exchanges?
Oh, absolutely. People
Yeah.
love convenience, and a lot of new investors will not even look at fees until after some time, like, oh, I thought I had more money in here.
Hmm. Yeah. And I think that's the thing. Do you see people moving out of other platforms to move into a Robinhood? Say, I don't know that they would move out of a Coinbase if they were just in Coinbase, but maybe out of Coinbase Pro. I don't know. What are your thoughts on that? Do you think people would jump?
A lot of people have been using these decentralized swapping platforms like Uniswap or PancakeSwap.
Yeah.
PancakeSwap is excellent because the fees are off BNB, which are 30 cents per transaction, very
Yeah,
affordable.
that's
And I think
great.
Uniswap went up to $300 per transaction. Very absurd. It's really hard to believe Ethereum can keep going up at these current prices where the gas
Hmm.
fees make the platform unusable. So with that, I would see these decentralized platforms with these low fees to grow in the space more compared to Ethereum. So I think BNB has a fair shot at growing significantly more unless Ethereum brings down their fees. That was a different answer to your question, but uh, but
Very
that's where I
relative.
went. Yeah.
Yeah, very relative, though. I think that's the thing. Okay, so the other scenario that you have with a lot of these platforms, and we kind of talked a little bit about that earlier, is the altcoins. And I should say these entry level altcoins, because I'm not talking about the the alpha dogs in the game right now. But a lot of these early altcoins under, the billion-dollar market caps that you had mentioned, do you think Robinhood would bring some of those on and gain access, or do you think we're still going to have to go out altcoin hunting in all these different platforms
So I think there is some kind of regulation for any business that operates in the U.S., which is why we've
to get
only
one?
seen a very limited amount of coins becoming available.
Hmm.
Robinhood, I think they have 5 coins. PayPal has like 4. Cash App has 1. So I think there is some regulation issue that I don't quite understand, where something might have to be around for a while, something might have to be decentralized enough for them
Right.
to be able to support it. There has to be no owner, I guess, of a token. So if Robinhood can do that, I think that would be excellent. That would create more opportunities for people, even me. If I see a coin get listed on Robinhood, I would probably jump in for the Robinhood pump. The Coinbase pump could now be the Robinhood pump.
Yeah, I like that. The Robinhood pump. Talking
Mhm.
about pumps, if they do this, if they were to bring a wallet to Robinhood pre-IPO, don't you feel that's going to really kind of change the dynamic of how they go to market when they go public?
Oh, absolutely. I
Yeah.
don't think I'd jump in because the hype on the first day is always overestimated, as we've seen with
The
Coinbase and a couple
Coinbase.
other stocks, but it would
Yeah.
be one to definitely follow.